Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, welcome back to my farm. My name is Lucian. So I'm giving you guys a farm update as I promised. You know. So I'm gonna start with my newborns from last Sunday. Alright? Yeah man. So this goat was give birth on the 11th in the night, and she gave me a nice female. She was bred by my Nubian buck. I'm on this boy here. He's not on the top condition right now, but he's doing well. Very aggressive breeder. Yeah, yeah man. He got one eye, so I call him Wani. Yes, do all a good job here. So yeah man, nice female. She was born on 11th. Now, I want to look at this girl here. She is the daughter of the Nubian buck, and she was bred by the boar. Her mother is a graded boar. And look at this female. She was born on the 13th. Yes, she was the last one who was born for this week. And her mother has a nice mother, as you can see. Yes. Now moving forward, this is the purebred boar here. She had 2 bucks on the 11th. Yes, looking very nice. We got them nice boys. Now these 2 here is from her daughter. She's a graded boar, very nice. She gave birth on the 9th of this month. She was the first one to give birth. She gave birth to a twin, a female, and a buckling. Yes. Now, this is the other daughter from the purebred boar. She was bred by the Nubian, and she gave me 2 lovely females. She also have a nice udder. Yes. Nice. Lovely female. They have some dark spot. Yes. Yeah man. So now up here guys,